Good morning, everyone. We are back at Knott's Berry Farm today. We've been over a week, I think, since we've been here. Schedule changed a little because we thought MonteZOOMa was opening, but it got delayed and pushed back. So we'll walk over and check out MonteZOOMa, see what the status is. It was running for testing when I walked in, but I have not seen it go by again. So we'll go check that out. We'll check out the construction there on the Scary Farm maze underneath Xcelerator. We haven't looked at that for a few weeks. Check in to see what is going on with the new Crafty's kitchen over there in the former Johnny Rockets location, and see what else is new here on this extremely hot heat advisory day at Knott's Berry Farm. But first, I'm going to finish my belt. As I mentioned earlier this week, there was supposed to be a media preview for MonteZOOMa. We were here last week and they were filming, doing some commercial, and the associates were getting test rides. So we thought we were close. The walls had come down, but the walls have gone back up. There was a short delay according to the Knott's media press release, and we should see this opening sometime soon. So we do not have a date. We do not know what the holdup was, and it was running for tests when we walked in, but I have not seen it go back by again. So we'll keep checking in today to see if we can catch a test run and see if anything looks different. I believe they were changing out some of the wheels is what someone reported. Not sure if that was correct, but we'll take a look when it tests. The wall is back up here at MonteZOOMa, but you can see into the queue and it looks fantastic. If you check out our video from last week, you can see it with the wall down because it was down briefly. Looks really nice. Someone in our last video commented and asked what the height limit was. It is 48-inch minimum, 79-inch maximum, and it may not accommodate guests of a larger size. I think we forgot to mention a couple weeks ago that this bar had opened and it has parrots added to it now. We are not quite sure why, but the train is not running yet today and they do not have an ETA, so we will check back shortly and see if it comes around. The new Crafty's kitchen is still under construction. We do not have an open date other than summer, although we did see some artwork was placed inside, and we were hearing it could be soon. Over the past several years, Knott's has done a really good job of keeping any kind of Scary Farm construction or decorations off the midway until Scary Farm starts. So this location at the Mystery Lodge was Grimoire last year. Brand new maze in here this year. It's actually, the entry is in the Mystery Lodge. The maze is behind backstage, but any idea what this could be? Put it down in the comments. We were going to check out the maze construction underneath Xcelerator, but Xcelerator is closed today and so is the train. So we may have to ride the Sky Cabin to see if we can get an updated view of that. So 2 new mazes this year, one here, one under Xcelerator, and we'll find out more as no announcements have been made during Nightmares Revealed, the sold-out preview event on August 18th. Scary Farm opens September 17th. Only visible Scary Farm construction that we can see from the midway is here in front of Origins at the Wilderness Dance Hall. This is the entrance. And unfortunately, Origins may be getting near the end of its life cycle based on the number of years Knott's uses their mazes. But I love this one, and I think it fits so well in with the story of Ghost Town. I would like to see it stay and maybe just be updated next year, but I would like to see this almost as a permanent fixture for Scary Farm. What are your thoughts? Put them down below. Don't forget about the live entertainment during Ghost Town Alive. We have Miss Cameo Kate's Western Barbecue review in the Birdcage, and a brand new show in the saloon this summer too, so make sure to check that out. It is very popular. Get there early. Xcelerator has been down for several days now. No explanation as to why. It was not a scheduled maintenance, so we do not have a reopening date at this time. The MonteZOOMa car still has not tested, but it is sitting in the back side of the station near the queue entrance. So we'll go around one more time to see if it is going around. The Butterfield stagecoach has been closed the last few days, presumably because of the heat. I don't know of any other scheduled maintenance. May just be a little bit too warm for the horses. But the train has just pulled in. It's around 11:45. We're gonna go hop on.
Here's a look now at the maze being built underneath Xcelerator for Scary Farm. Some more work has been done to the facade since my last visit. It's looking really, really good. Kind of reminded me of the Black Magic maze from years ago, and maybe a little bit of Mesmer too. What do you think it's going to be? Put it down in the comments.
That is it for our update from Knott. It is just way too hot. Summer nights and Ghost Town Alive, you have a couple more weeks. Nightmares Revealed, the sold out preview of Scary Farm, August 18th. Scary Farm starts September 17th. A few rides closed today, Xcelerator and the Stagecoach. A few rides opened a few minutes late. It was just really hot today. But other than that, that is our update. No opening for MonteZOOMa. If we missed an update, let us know down in the comments. Check out our video from the opening day of the Orange County Fair with our friends Wicked Journey and Janice Yamanaka. That is it from Knott's. I got my iced tea. Oh, the Starbucks has reopened in the marketplace, been completely remodeled. Same layout, same setup, just a refresh. Looks really, really nice. I was going to film in there, but there were literally 200 day camp kids in there. I didn't want to film the kids, so walked over to the hotel and got my iced tea there. So that is it from Knott's. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for updates. Follow us on Instagram and social media. And we'll see you next time. As I cross the street without looking here. See you next time. Bye.